I mean, business is like lifting weights. The heavier you can lift, the more muscle you can build. In a business sense, that would mean that you want to create as much value as you possibly can for your customers and for the customers that don't exist now that will hear from word of mouth about your business. And the more harder you can think about how do I evaporate the pain that is in my customers' lives, it's the more you can tap into the lives of many customers you haven't reached before, and they pay you more. And the harder the problem you can solve in the customer's life, the more the customer can pay you. So what do you think? You constantly thinking, what is it that we can do that solves the most painful problem in the customer's life, so that the customer pays us more, or so that we grow our customer base by luring the big companies, the big organizations that can pay us more. Why? Because a big company changes your game. If you've got a big company as a customer, they really change your game. One, if you have your small customers that are, your regular customers that are paying an invoice $10,000, $20,000, yes, that's good money. But when you take it to the big guys, and they are now able to pay you 300,000 rands per invoice. If you have 3 invoices in a month, if you've got 10 invoices in a month, in other words, you can go as higher as you possibly can as far as growing your business is concerned. So growing your business really is entirely dependent on how much time you spend thinking about developing more value that lures the customer to ourselves, so that the customer can pay us more. That is business. That is simply how you grow business. Or you can stay at the bottom and say, okay, if I'm charging 10,000 per product or per service, how many customers can I get? Can we go this month for 20 customers? Can we go this month for 40 customers? Can we go this month for 60 customers? Can we go for 100 customers? If you've got capacity, sure, you can go for it. So it's entirely up to you as a business owner when you really want to kick it and grow your business.